Effectively closing sales relies on key strategies and best practices to boost success rates. Here are 10 sales closing techniques with tips examples. What is sales closing? It is the final step where a prospect decides to purchase. It ensures confidence in the decision. What are sales closing techniques? These are approaches designed to encourage a yes. They address concerns, create urgency, and simplify decisions. Why sales closing techniques are important? They improve conversion rates. They build trust with customers. They shorten the sales cycle. They enhance overall sales performance. Tips for successful deals. Build rapport by establishing trust. Understand needs by tailoring solutions. Present value by focusing on benefits. Handle objections by providing solutions. Create urgency with limited time offers. Ask for the sale with confidence and directness. 10 sales closing techniques with tips examples. Puppy dog close. Try before you buy. Offer customers a chance to try the product or service before making a final decision. Option close. Simplify the decision. Provide 2 great options to make the decision-making process easier for customers. Assumptive close. Act like the deal is already done. Assume the customer is ready to buy and guide them smoothly to the final step. Soft close. Gentle and low pressure. Give customers time to think and decide without feeling pressured. Hard close. Get to the point. Be direct when a decision needs to be made immediately. Trial close. Test the waters. Gauge the customer's readiness to buy without committing to a full close. Direct close. Straight to the point. Be confident and clear to finalize the decision for ready-to-buy customers. Minor point close. Small steps lead to big wins. Secure a small agreement to create momentum for the final decision. Calendar close. Let's set a date. Set a follow-up date to keep the conversation alive and plan the next step. Summary close. Highlight the value. Recap key benefits to reinforce the value and boost customer confidence. Top sales closing mistakes you should avoid. Avoid being too aggressive. Do not ignore objections. Be prepared and know your product and prospect. Let the prospect speak. Do not overtalk. Stay engaged after initial contact. Follow up. Guide prospects to a decision by asking for the sale. Leveraging technology in sales closing. Use CRM tools to track interactions and manage leads. Automate tasks with sales automation to focus on closing deals. Best practices for effective closing techniques. Align techniques with customer needs. Build stronger relationships for repeat business. Continuously improve through training.
Visit boostinbox.com and start today.